Hey guys, this is John here from Turbo Auto Detailing. Just a quick video. Wanted to show y'all what I got in the mail, or got UPS a while ago. And apparently Cerakote has sent me some free goodies. And this looks really nice. It's really professional. There's a booklet in here that shows all their products. The Cerakote family of products, and I've always been interested to try Cerakote. I've heard nothing but good things about them, and it gives a little history of their company, shows you their plant, and lots of information about their product, and even how it's made. I guess there's a video you can watch. This is super cool. I'm so stoked to try this out. It came with, of course, this book and applicator pad, which I've left in the packaging, so maybe it won't be contaminated. And I love their packaging. Very, very professional. Got box inside the sleeve. It's hard to do one-handed. Y'all, you don't know, I'm just a little redneck. I ain't good at this stuff. All right, I ain't good at filming either. So I'm trying though. Bear with me, guys. Now help me understand. All right, so it says shake well, so I guess I've done that. All right, ceramic coatings from Cerakote, and this is their professional ceramic paint coating. Got an application guide. What else we got right here? Something else. Another booklet. Oh, curing schedule. Okay, well. All right. And of course, the 2 bottles. I'm not sure what sort of value this is as far as dollars. I don't know if I've seen this product specifically before or not. I don't know if it's anything, but they want me to review it on my channel, which I would do. So look forward to seeing a Cerakote ceramic coatings, a professional ceramic coating review, as I think I'm going to do my Lexus with this product. I think that would be pretty appropriate. It's a black car. You'll get to see everything. All right, well, guys, just wanted to share it with you real quick. This came to me in the mail, like just out of the blue today, and it's kind of got me stoked. I've heard nothing but good things about Cerakote. I can't wait to try it out. So I'll catch you guys in the next video when we'll probably be doing some paint correction and prepping for the ceramic coating. All right, guys, till the next time. See you next video. All right, I'm about to apply the Cerakote ceramic coating, and I'll be doing it on a Lexus ES350. It's been paint corrected as much as I want to do it. And I need to polish the hood a little bit more, but that's pretty much it. It's going to go on this car right here. Of it. As I'm out of breath and putting it on, I just got done. It's real easy it goes on easy, comes off easy, unless it's hot. I started earlier in the day and it started getting hot on me, Here in Alabama, it gets pretty hot now. Afternoons. So you don't want to put it on while it's hot, or even though I'm under a canopy, it still is too hot there at the last to apply it, and you don't want that mess. So make sure the car is cool, make sure you got a cool afternoon. But the Cerakote Professional Ceramic Coating, let me show it to you one more time. Here's a Cerakote. This is it in the bottle. I used about 1.5 bottles. I did this entire car, so I probably could have done a pickup truck with 2 bottles. So, all right, well, guys, I'll tell you what, I'll definitely buy it, and I encourage you to do the same. Cerakote Professional Ceramic Coating. It does what it says it's going to do. Hey guys, one more thing that I forgot to mention earlier today when I did the video. Well, look at my hair, that's crazy. While applying the Cerakote coating, the paint coating, professional paint coating, as it were, the instructions tell you to wait about 5 minutes and you'll see it beading up, and then you'll know the white. Well, after 3 minutes, after 5 minutes, after 7 minutes, even as hot as it was, I never saw it really beat up like I was expecting to according to their instructions. I did, however, see the striations form in the coat. Not a rainbow effect, but striations. And that was what I used to as a signal, because it was at about 5 minutes. And that's what I used as a signal to wipe off. And when I did, it wasn't grabby, and it wasn't, you know, it was, I didn't smear it, it was perfect. So if you use the product as I encourage you to do, because it's an excellent coating. As time goes on, I'll have updates as to how well it's holding up, and you'll have to understand I did a really quick paint correction before I applied it. So, you know, I could have done a better job, but hey, it's my car. You know, if it fails, I'll take it off and put some more on it, and I'll do it the right way next time. I was in a hurry today, and this last day I had to get it done. So, with that said, it performed beautifully as far as the application process is concerned. A lot easier. I'm not nearly the expert in ceramic coatings that some of you detailers out there are, because I haven't been doing ceramic coatings as long as you have. So it was real easy for me, so I know you guys will just knock it out of the park. But it's a great product, very affordable. You get 2 bottles, and I thank Cerakote for allowing me the opportunity to use their product, for sending me their product, and for allowing me to review on it. And it just makes me happy that I can give them a good review. So, hey, buy Cerakote.